Hi guys, Fire Safety Tech 17 here, and today it is going to be Intruder System Test 1, I believe. Yep. And here we've got the garage alarm system. I'll be putting all the videos in one series with the bedroom system, house system, maybe house system, depends though, and the garage system obviously, and maybe even a board system as well, if I do get another system. But let's get into this. So we've got, I'll go over through the devices that are on the system. So first off, we have an LED keypad. These are nice keypads. They look quite modern. The only thing that could be improved is the actual buttons, because they feel a bit, a little bit naff. But yeah, cabling needs to be touched up, particularly there, as the arm tends to hit that wire there, and there's that which looks awful, and that twin and earth will be going in trunking, so please do ignore that. So yeah, we've got an activate PIR. I'm pretty sure these are discontinued now, in terms of their manufacture. I don't know, that's what I heard about, but yeah. And here on the door we have a magnetic door contact as well. May look a bit wonky, but I didn't install it correctly, which I need to probably redo, as it looks a bit bad. And let's go outside. Here we are outside. So here is a Pyronix Delta Bell Plus, because it has a backlight, which I'll probably show you a picture of on the corner of the screen, which looks really nice, as you can see. Probably going to get a sticker somewhat in the future for it though, which I think Mr. Security suggested, which I think that's a really nice idea on the bell box. So yeah. Now let's do the exciting part, and that's basically just, we're going to basically set the system. So, okay, now the system is setting, it will do a fast beep, and if I open this door to leave, then it will now the system's set. I'm not sure if you heard the beeping. So if we go through this door, it should do the beeping. So now it's beeping, telling us to input the code. So yeah, there's some simple things of setting the system, unsetting the system, and stuff like that. So let's actually get into testing it properly. So if we do program and then if we input the engineer's code, then we can press, we can do a walk test. If I move in front of the PIR, if I stand here and then zone 2 has lit up, it will continue beeping if like a zone is lit up. Now if we open the door, here's the magnetic door contact up here, as you can see. Now it stops beeping. Only 2 zones are being used on this system. Probably some, I may even put a PIR or magnetic door contact on the bigger door, which I'll give you a peek, which is there, maybe a PIR pointing to this door. Here's the alarm cable that goes through there. I still need to cable clip it though, and as I did mention that the stuff still needs to be cable clipped. So yeah, let's exit out walk test mode. We can do alarm test feature. So if we press 1, I'm not going to test the siren at the minute because it's early in the morning. Well, not early in the morning, but like in case anyone wants to have a lie-in. So I just don't want to know it. I probably will put a video on a sound effect, probably here or somewhere. But yeah, if we do 2, it does the strobe. Now the strobe is flashing. I'm not sure how well you can see it. This camera doesn't really pick up the strobe that well, but you may be able to see it flash. There we go. Bit weird, pulses a bit too quickly. Now if we do 3, this will do the sounder. So that's it, and we can just exit that. If we go on to 2, I forgot what 2 does. 3 is, I think, system flags. 4 is some other, but I cannot remember. I have to look in the manual. Ignore these program things. They're kind of wrong. Can anyone let me know in the comments how you basically set the system for a certain program? Because I know normally when you input the code, it sets the system for program 1. And then you can basically do program 2, which you can have like different entry times and stuff like that. So please do let me know how you set the system for different programs, as that would be very helpful, as I couldn't really find anything in the manual. We can set a chime if we just press bell 2, which is the PIR, and we move in front of the PIR. And then if we press bell 0, then the chime is disabled. If we press bell 1, I'm not sure why zone 2 lit up. Let me disable zone 2, that's weird. Never mind. Yeah, there's the... There we go, that's that. If we just press bell 0, you don't need the code to. There's panic. But yeah, that will conclude this test. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to sound the alarm, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, I will show you this end with the messy wires. So basically, here's the really bad cables, which I will be sorting out next episode, because this looks like a bit of a bodge. And let's be honest, it kind of is. So I will be getting some trunking just to go there and down into there. And there's that cable, which I ran out of cable clips, so that brick there is just holding it in. And I'll get a piece of trunking just so this looks a bit nicer, and I don't really like exposed twin earth. So yeah, this fuse spur basically goes into this piece of conduit, which goes into the back of this socket, because this, I assume, is the end of the radial, or I think the downstairs sockets are a ring circuit, and the garage is basically spurred off the ring, which I think that's what they've done in this situation. I'm not sure if it's a ring circuit or... But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, as that will be very helpful. And thanks for watching.